Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to get Bank of America voided check. How to get Bank of America's voided check, or you can say how to get a voided check from Bank of America. Same thing. I'm giving you a quick guide. For what is a voided check? A check with void written across it is used to share bank details, that is routing and account numbers, for direct deposits, payroll, or bill payments. Now, how do you get a Bank of America voided check? You can get it online, which is the fastest method. You log into Bank of America online banking or the mobile app. Go to the account services option, then click on the option that allows you to request voided check. Download and print the pre-voided check PDF. It's also the ATM method, where you insert your Bank of America debit card at an ATM, select more options, then you see the option for print voided check if it's available. Then you can also decide to go to the bank branch. Visit a Bank of America branch with your ID, request a voided check, and it will be printed on the spot for you. You can also do it through a mail request. You can call Bank of America customer service at 800-432-1000. 800-432-1000. You do this to request a mailed copy. It will take about 5 to 7 days to be delivered. But if you need it instantly, you can just write it yourself. Take a blank check, write void in large letters, don't sign. Scan and take a photo and share it digitally. So here are some pro tips. You can use Bank of America's digital voided check, which is the safest option. And you should never share a signed blank check. Always void it first. Now you can do all this within less than 5 minutes online or at an ATM. And if you need help, you can contact Bank of American support via the app or phone. See you in the next one.